I just loved everything. Everything works really well together. So unfortunately, I'm not in Bali, and I really wish I was to join in person. But it's, yeah, wherever you are, it works from anywhere. There is support, also big support within the group with members of the group. So there is sharing, reaching out. Okay, I want to do a breathing session. Who can hold space for me? And I just loved the self empowerment and the release that I had with every breathing session of circular breathing. And yeah, I've had an interest in doing a training for quite some time. And then I did some Wim Hof sessions and ice baths in the past. And yeah, so that was it, where I thought I really want to learn that. My background is I'm a therapist. I do craniosacral therapy, and I'm an astrologer. And I also felt like, wow, this is something where I can bring other tools in maybe and just see how it all works for me. And yeah, so yeah, from the beginning, it just all the material that we get as well, which I love having so many tools, having all the videos that we can watch, then also from music, having all putting music together for the sessions. There's just help and assistance with just everything. And also, as Alex said, all the other facilitators that he's bringing in, and the yeah, Dr. Mark Cohen. I love that there is the scientific background, so learning the anatomy of breathing and learning so much about science that is backed up, and having also, yeah, then the material to reread, to research, and all the videos as well. And yeah, just so many tools, and the 3 weeks are very, very powerful. And so there was always support there. And anything is, yeah, also from, of course, the admin team in Bali. And always, so I've always felt that support from, yeah, from all sides, and asking questions. And also another really big part that I love is authentic relating, because I feel, yeah, I mean, everything is relationship to life, to relationship, yeah, with people, and foremost with myself. And I feel, yeah, it's been such a beautiful, challenging, transformational journey, and I wouldn't want to miss any of that. And yeah, and again, when we just did the ice bath for the feet and the hands, I just feeling that shift within myself, and that forced mindfulness, and getting out of wherever I am, out of the story, into the here and now, and bringing in the tools. Yeah, it's just so, yeah, life changing. And also, and to develop, it's not just then to have people coming once and having a big experience. And I'm sure a lot of people may only come once, or then having a big experience, but it's really about a total new change in lifestyle. To maybe I start my day doing a couple of rounds of breathing and breath holds, and yeah, just doing that in the morning and evening sometimes. And it's really implementing it every day as part of that, yeah, a commitment to self. That's how I see it. And it's just so many different tools, and it's not rigid, or I feel, okay, if I don't have enough time today, then I just do only 2 rounds of breathing and breath holds in the morning. And but it really sets my day. And yeah, and today is the best day of my life. And and yeah, and also what I wanted to say, like, I've always had a thing for cold water. So I actually love cold water. I mean, ice baths are always challenging, but I think maybe being from Austria, I've always been very drawn to cold waters. And like having a cold shower every morning, sometimes also in the evening, it makes such a big difference. And just as, yeah, as a whole new way of being that supports me wherever I am, and sharing this with others, to helping them, assisting them in empowering themselves without, yeah, doing it for them, which I really like, because also with my background as a therapist, I often felt like I do something for people, or people want me to massage me harder and do this and that for me, or fix this. And it's not about that. I don't think anyone needs fixing, or we're not broken. We are just really tapping into my own potential, I feel, and I love that. And also sometimes, yeah, it's a bit of a kick as well, like surfing the edge and feeling, yeah, how long can I hold my breath, or feeling the excitement of an ice bath, which is of course the challenge and the excitement coming together.